What's up, guys? It's Randy here, just coming to you to show you what I do when I repair a surfboard. And hopefully this video comes out as well as I want it to, but let me show you what I got. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna be repairing this board today. It has the complete bottom needing restorations. It's always fun. Let me see if I can get the top on right here. There we go. As you can see, just huge part came off of this board. It's going to be really fun trying to repair this today. Okay, so since I already showed you how the board looks, I guess it's time to actually start repairing this. Okay, so I got the first part done, which is just pretty much cutting all the patches this needs. Now I just need to paste on these patches, and after that, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now that the patches are set, all I really have left is just paste the whole bottom and just pretty much hot coat the whole board, and this one will be pretty much done. Hopefully this does kind of come out a little better, because I'm not sure, shooting everything on my phone today because, well, I can. But yeah, as you're gonna see, the board's gonna look really nice by the end, but only if I had like the picture of when it's truly finished. That's when it's the best. Okay, so I'm finally on the last step. I've been waiting for like half an hour for this last part to finally hot coat this board. Yeah, the angles kind of changed because I kind of had to change rooms because I got to get out of here right after this. So yeah, this is the last part. It's the hot coat. Hopefully I can actually show you how the whole board looks with the hot coat. Let's see how that goes. Just give me one second. Here you can see and the huge part there, just all hot coated, has its patch, has everything on it, and that's pretty much everything I had to do for this board. So as you can see, repairing a board's not extremely difficult, but hey, who cares? Well, somehow you made it through this much of this video, which is pretty weird as I think it, but you know, if you're still watching, you know, like, subscribe, wait for more. There'll be vlogs on this channel at one point, but for this first one, just show you something I do.